Afternoon track and field fans, especially those fans of the Mommy Rocket Shelley and Fraser Price, I have a question for all of you out there. I want you to tell me which of Shelley Ann's 100-meter wins over the years is your favorite. Boy, I know say that's not going to be an easy choice because there are so many great wins for Shelley Ann over the years. But try to think of the one you love the most and share it with us. One race that I really can never forget is Shelley's epic win in 2008. Remember that one where Jamaica got the clean sweep with Shelley, Sharon and Keran, with all of them running sub-11 clockings? That did awesome. Check it out and tell me if this is not your favorite race too, or at least one of your favorites.